The purl stitch is one of the basic stitches in knitting. Hold the needle with the loops in your left hand. With the right hand, hold the plain needle. Lower the yarn like this. Insert the needle into the first loop in this direction, which is opposite from the knit stitch. Wrap the yarn around the needle. Pull the yarn through the loop. Remove the loop. This counts as one purl stitch. Repeat. Lower the yarn. Insert the needle into the loop. Wrap the yarn around the needle. Pull the yarn through the loop. Remove the loop. This counts as the second purl stitch. Insert the needle. Wrap the yarn. Pull through the loop. Continue with making the purl stitch for every loop. Once you complete the last loop, switch the plain needle to the right hand and proceed to row 2.